Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you change your user name or display name into your Bitget. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to change your display name in Bitget, you just simply have to open your Bitget application. And after opening the Bitget application, just simply tap into this dotted icon in top left corner. Now you just simply have to select your profile from this section. And after that, you will get this option of display name in your profile. Just simply tap into this display name option, and after tapping into there, you will get this page where you can just simply erase and enter a new name for your display name. For example, I'm entering trader as the username or display name in here, and after that tap to confirm button and your display name will be changed. But it seems that this name that I have entered is already taken, so I am editing it again and tap to confirm, and after this the display name will be changed and it will be public after the reviewing. This way you can very easily change your display name into Bitget. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.